What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into it though, I want to let everyone know that they should please like, comment, share, subscribe, put my notifications on, press the bell icon so you get all my latest uploads directly in your feed or notifications of it. Email, it will come up on your phone if you've got the YouTube app signed in, all that good stuff. Make sure your notifications are on, people, man. Thank you to everyone who has liked, commented, shared, subscribed, all the other videos, and whoever's got the bell icon on. I don't think anyone's got the bell icon on, if I'm honest. But yeah, man, enough of me waffling. I'm starting something a little new. So no more, well, not no more, but like I've done a lot of Air Maxes, Air Max 95s. I'm still collecting them, so keep on looking out for those videos. We've done a lot of Air Maxes, a lot of Nikes. We haven't really done Jordans. I don't really like Jordans at the moment. We've done a pair of Dunks. Dunks are boring, not gonna lie. It's all just hype stuff. We've done a few luxury sneakers, but we've never done luxury sneakers from this brand. Let's get into it, man. Bally. So it's a nice box. I like this color on the box. It's a good box, man. It's got obviously that pop-up writing, that feel, but forget about that. It's a good box though. The important bit, what they're called. So that's Aston -new, so we just call them the Astons. US 10, EU 9, FR 43. So that should actually be UK 9, Europe 43, but it's whatever. It's whatever. Let's get into the good bit, man. So it's got the Bally logo type thing on the tissue paper. Ooh, special. Don't care, man. It's got the Bally dust bag, which I won't use, so I don't really care about either. It's got spare laces, and this is the laziest, the absolute laziest way I have ever seen a company give spare laces before in my life. Valentino, they always have like a little wraparound paper. Balenciaga, the same. Who else offers spare laces? I think Louboutin. I can't remember, man. Valentino, Balenciaga. They always have a little paper wrapped around whatever. This is plain lazy. This is a stinker, man. What is that, people, man? What is that? I'm not saying it's bad, whatever. I'm saying it's terrible. Look at that. So what you're telling me? Whoever, look, it's not even done even. I can do it better right now. So someone literally got two laces. Yeah, the geezer's giving us 500 quid for these trainers. Let's just mug him off now. But yeah, probably, look, they just done this. And then they've done that. And my knot is better. So if you want Bally, you need someone to tie knots in laces, give me a shot, man. Give me a good 100 grand a year shoelacing specialist. Don't do that nonsense to me again, man. It's got the little papers, so it says Bally Quality Control PLU. Thank you for that, whatever the hell that means. Bally. Let's read a bit now. Now this is where the dyslexia comes home. Bally's quality guarantee. We would like to congratulate you on your luxury product choice and thank you for choosing Bally. This piece was designed in Switzerland with close attention paid to every original detail to guarantee your complete... Shut up, man. Be quiet. I'm just going to read the first sentence of this. The item you have just purchased is made from the finest leather available. I'll see about that. This is 100% natural skin, which has been especially tanned for a rich, deep color and soft texture. Okay, be quiet now, man. Nonsense. It's got these terrible, let's say terrible bags. These bags are so bad, you use them 2-3 times, they rip. There's no point of these bags, people, man. Let's see the trainer. Boom. So these, they're not that great to me. They're nice, don't get me wrong. Yeah, but let's just get through it, man. Basically, if you like Valentinos, you may like these, but I think these are targeted to a way different audience than Valentinos. They're quite thin, they're quite small. As you know, I'm a guy who likes a big chunky trainer, so you know, man, I need something way different. But let me just get into this bit first. It's got the bottom, I like that, but it looks like it's been used, which I don't like. It says Bally Switzerland, it's got their little logo. I'm not even sure. It's not meant to be like that. It's definitely. Is it meant to be like that? It's meant to be like that. I don't know. But yeah, man, these are brand new and they look like they've been used. It's got the Bally logo writing. That's just been like drawn on whatever. It's got a bit of webbing like Gucci normally does or whatever. It's got some plastic on the midsole actually. In the back. It's a good leather, I'm not going to lie, man. But look at this, man. It's basically got crease already. And then they write little things saying, oh yeah, it's the best quality leather. It's meant to have defects. Bally, Switzerland there. Very nice insole. I like that brown colour. That's a nice colour. I'm stuttering like a donut, man. Then yeah, it's got like, you know, little bits and bobs of whatever. They're not the best in my humble opinion. I'd say these are catered to 35 plus. People who have corporate jobs, rich fellas, and they got money. They got money, of course, because they're rich fellas. But you know, they don't really care much about how they dress. They're not really into streetwear, so they wear, you know, luxury products with a hefty price tag. I'm not gonna lie, you do you, uncle, you do you. But for me, not really these, not gonna lie. These ain't the great. There's other options out there, especially for the same price tag. Valentinos, if they stepped up the quality, I would buy them regular. Not regular, but I'll buy them more often than I do now. The suede just bleeds. I like all leather, so this wins on all leather. So quality wise, durability wise, I think this wins because it looks like a good leather. It does look kind of creased, but hopefully it doesn't get too creased. It looks like a very sturdy shoe. It's got like plastic midsole bit. It's got a very stiff sole. It looks like good grip as well. But yeah, I'm not really sure if they're the best. I don't know what I'd rate them, man. This is a tricky one. I'd give them a strong, I was gonna say 7, but I actually say 7.5. Actually 7.75 out of 10. Because they're not bad, they're just not for me. But I don't think there's any great quality alternatives for me either. So that's that. Overall, do I think the price is worth it? If you can afford it, yes. If you can't afford it, no, it's not worth it one bit. And that's just being real. Price tag should be, I think it's 495, 500. It should be a bit less, but at the same time they did say they used the premium material, so maybe that changes prices. But yeah, man, £500 for these, no. On sale for 250, maybe yeah, but you know, I need more age for these trainers to rock them. But that's enough of me criticizing them. Not gonna lie, I didn't think I'll criticize them this much. This is all just my own views. Nothing against the brand, because they do have amazing pieces and they do have amazing other trainers. These ones just a bit too plain and just a bit too simple, and yeah, they're just not bulky enough, man. I get it, they're meant to be runners, whatever, but a bit bulkier would be nice. But I really don't want to waffle anymore. So thank you for watching. If you watched this far, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, press that bell icon. Wait a few seconds for the on foot video, and as always, take care, people.